Hi guys, welcome to another video, to another plan with me. The last one with me was just a bit of an ASMR moment, but this one we can chat, we can talk a bit. I have my coffee ready. This one's gonna be a quick plan with me because I have work afterwards. I have to hurry with this one, but anyway. I was inspired by my picture collections that I just cut off some pictures I like from the magazines and stuff like that, and I just stored them in a book or something like that, and then when I'm inspired I do use them, and this looks like a fantasy land or something like that, so I really like this. So I thought I might use this. I also have some washi to choose from. I don't know which ones, so I just brought them all. And those two little ones. And then I have some stickers that I thought might go with this. You'll see. I hope I can use some of those flowers. Hope they're not gonna be too off. I don't know. And I have some leftover paper. This one, and I thought I haven't used those. Oopsie! I haven't used those design blocks in a long time. Those big ones I have. I don't have a lot of them, but just few, and they're like quite thick, but I thought, which one did I like already? Oh, this one, yeah. I thought maybe this would be good with this. But I'm wondering now, will it go with this paper? This is so big. Oh my goodness. Okay. This looks like really watery and flowing. This looks like earthy and stuff like that. Maybe it would go. I don't know. I will take it. And then I'm gonna see if I'm gonna use it. So big, oh my goodness. Okay. This one is already cut, like really nice, maybe in the corner, or oh no, not like this. I don't know, maybe. And this one. Maybe you can even combine this with the boxes somehow, I don't know. Maybe do like a box over something like this, or under it. Maybe I should use this as boxes. I thought I would put it in the background, but I don't know. I think I should actually use it as boxes. Those. And I don't know, for all of them, maybe just for this one, I don't know. You can use for a change, like those long ones, long format boxes, and maybe even like so. I can put it here and then have this space to write. How much do I need though? Is this too much? I think I should just. Oh, I have a paper cutter. I never use it. I already broke it, so let's see if this works with this one. Oh, alright. I had to tape it down because it broke. So I can't really lift it anymore. For fuck's sake. Okay, let's try this again. Okay. Try to cut a bit more because we fucked it up before. Oh my goodness, this is so... Oh, you know what? I will just cut it. For fuck's sake. No, it's not gonna be straight, but oh well. Okay. Oh, it's kind of straight. Huh. See, when I'm not thinking about it, I'm always cutting straight. Well, yes, this is really nice. Okay, how much do I need? Okay, he's gonna go like this, and maybe I can put lines in as well. Those two. I don't know what I'm thinking about it, like putting this like so. I wanted to, I don't know why, I wanted to combine them and put them like so, and then have this space to write here. But I don't know. I'll just make boxes out of those. I can put this like so. Yeah, I think I like that. All of those are different then. Okay, I'll just put the glue on the boxes so I don't forget the positions. Maybe I will get inspired to go into the wild, or I don't know, camping or in the nature more. By creating this spread, there's a lot of green, a lot of like explorer vibes and stuff like that. Okay, good. I was just thinking maybe using this for here. Up, and then they can look like clouds or something like that. I don't know. This would be a good idea. I don't know, maybe. I'll just wait on that. Okay. Do we need this? I don't know, maybe not. To use those time to relax and stretch a bit. Want to go just like, then I have those, maybe not the gold foil, maybe just this one's paper ones. Maybe this for the weekend. And oh my goodness, can you see I really love the green ones. I already used them all. Almost. And then I can use this priority here. Okay, let's see with the washi. Okay, use this explore washi. Thought maybe this green, but this is too bright and this is too, I don't know, peacocky color. Just not the right one. Maybe just this washi explore somewhere, I don't know where yet. And then I thought also the script. Happy day, have a great day, celebrate. Maybe with this go? Oh, I don't know. sure now. I thought you would, but maybe you can use this magical and the moon or something like that. Yeah, that would be great. And I thought maybe this one looks really ethereal and beautiful, and maybe in this script would go. Oh my goodness. So okay, just grab this one. I'm all over the place, I'm so sorry guys. Oh, this one goes as well, just maybe up here, but I don't know. Oh, so many choices. Okay, let's focus a bit. I'm not sure about putting this. I mean, I could put it like so, but I don't know. This just, does it go with the spread? Maybe. Oh, but I'm putting a box over it. I like it better. Maybe just from here or throughout. Oh my goodness. Put it throughout like so, or just maybe here. Yeah, I like this, I think. Just maybe. Yeah, this looks nice. Okay, now I have to use it in other places. Where to put you, big guy? Do you want to put it here? Maybe just like so, or here. I guess I've already found the position for those two. So now what do I want? Where do I want? I don't want to put it in the middle. I think I just might put the washi on this side, just here, because I don't know. Like so, yeah. Just here, because here with this box it doesn't go. I don't know, it's too big. And maybe underline name as well. Okay. All right. Okay, we use this moon, and now I think it's time to put this down. I feel like quiet today, I don't know, it's one of those days. I don't know which one do you like best, me just planning in silence or me talking. You can always let me know in the comments below, or just, I don't know, interacting with me. Okay, let's see about those stickers. Let's use those beautiful horns. Let's use it here. I don't know why, just it's just right. I thought I would want to use this here, but I don't know. Use this for my to-do list, priority. Maybe here. Gonna be better just to have some space. Here on Monday. Here, maybe you can use my reminder, write my reminder here, and I think we have enough of those. Weekends. Let's use this one. Oh, we're moving quick. I Maybe because I know I have to be a bit more, you know, a bit faster with this plan with me because I have work soon. But yeah, okay, let's use those. I really like those. Time to relax. No, take a break. Or no, let's use this one. Time to relax. I want to use this on Sunday, but I have so much here now. Oh my goodness. Let's just remove this moon sticker. Okay, that's better. More open space now. Now I can just use it like so. On purpose it's crooked. So you know what, I like this better for here. Can I get this up? Or is it too late? Oh, it's not too late, yeah. Oh, I ripped it a bit. Oh wow. Get this done today. Let's use this here. Yeah, that's better. I think it goes better with this. I really like where this is going. Okay. Oh my goodness. This washi though, right? It looks really busy though. I don't know. Maybe I should just use little pieces. Let's see. Maybe just tear it up. Okay, let's use some of this. Put this back. Do you know what I'm just figuring out? It doesn't go. I don't like it, so I'll just no. I mean, the concept was good, but I just no. I will just use it some other time. I'll put those back as best as I can. Now the only thing we need, and also yeah, we will not use this. I don't think it goes now. I'll use this paper. The only thing we need is the quotes. No time like now. Oopsie. You can also use all year. Just a bit for encouragement. This one here, and now we have to use this one here to balance it. Maybe just here, I don't know, random place. Okay, now the quotes. I like these ones. We just use these ones, the golden ones. Golden quotes. Or maybe even, I don't know, maybe even those. Let's use this one. I don't know why it just jumped out. Use it like that, why not? Nothing is like you. Let me just put this one down first. Well, I always like to use a lot of quotes. I never walk backwards. Life is a walk of flare amid the cool radiance. Okay, I think we're good on quote. Oh, this looks so different now that I added the quotes. Anyway, this is it for this plan with me. Thank you so much for watching. Tell me what you think about it down below. I hope it was entertaining for you. I'm sorry I didn't talk too much, but as I get in the groove, I just you know, get really focused, and then I just don't talk. I just get into it. So, but yeah, please like and support with the like, subscribe, and comment, and stuff like that. You know the gist. And I will see you in the next plan with me. Thank you so much, and have a nice day. Bye bye.